Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will share with you one of the healthiest recipes with avocados and spinach, which I make for my kids by very smartly hiding these two ingredients for my picky eaters. So let's get started. For this recipe, we will need 500 grams of pasta, 10 to 15 soaked and peeled almonds, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 4-5 basil leaves, 2 avocados, salt, juice of half lemon, 1.5 cup of spinach, olive oil and black pepper. We will start by boiling pasta first. For this, take water in a pot and add salt and olive oil and bring it to a boil. Adding oil helps to prevent pasta from sticking together. When the water is boiling, add in the pasta and cook it until it's done. While the pasta is cooking, we will roast the garlic by cutting it into half and drizzling some olive oil on top of it. This will give mild and creamy avocados a nice flavor of roasted garlic. Roast the garlic in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. In a separate pot, take some boiling water and add spinach to it. I prefer to boil the spinach because boiled spinach is better digested by our body and more nutrients are absorbed. In between, check on the pasta. We don't want our pasta to be overcooked. Now we will prepare our pesto sauce with avocados and spinach. Slice the avocado into half and remove the seed. Scoop out the avocado directly into the blender. Now in goes the boiled and drained spinach, almonds, basil leaves, and 3 to 4 cloves of roasted garlic. Drizzle around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add juice of half lemon, salt according to taste, and black pepper in the end. Now blend it nicely to make a smooth paste. Add some water left from boiling pasta if needed to thin out the consistency. Toss in the boiled pasta into bowl and gently mix the sauce with the pasta. This recipe is really cooked to make and full of goodness of creamy avocados, green spinach with delicate flavor of basil. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.